What if someone helps you and you forget to say thank you? This small mistake can change your whole life. This story, Never Be Ungrateful, will teach you the value of gratitude, kindness, and respect. Stay till the end to learn a powerful life lesson you will never forget. Story: Never Be Ungrateful. Now listen carefully, my dear friends. I am going to tell you a simple story. Please imagine you are sitting around me under a big tree and listening quietly. Are you ready? Once upon a time, it was a very hot summer day. The sun was very bright and very angry. Can you feel the heat in your mind? Two travelers were walking on a long, dusty road. There were no trees, no houses, and no water nearby. They were tired, thirsty, and very weak. Tell me, friends, how do you feel when you walk for a long time in the hot sun? The travelers kept walking. After some time, they saw a big tree far away. The tree had thick branches and large green leaves. Its branches spread wide like an umbrella. The travelers felt happy and hopeful. What do you think they did next? Yes, they ran toward the tree. They kept their bags on the ground and sat under the tree. The cool shade touched their bodies. A soft breeze made them feel better. Their tired faces slowly smiled again. They rested quietly for some time. Then something bad happened. One traveler looked at the tree and said, "This tree is useless. It has no fruits at all." Friends, was that a kind thing to say? The tree heard this and felt very sad. The tree then spoke in a gentle but firm voice. "You ungrateful man, you are sitting in my cool shade. I am saving you from the burning sun. Still, you call me useless." The travelers were shocked. They felt ashamed. They understood their mistake. They realized that help does not always come as fruits or gifts. Sometimes help comes as shade, rest, and comfort. Tell me, friends, have you ever forgotten to say thank you to someone who helped you? The travelers folded their hands. They said sorry to the tree. They thanked the tree from their hearts and promised never to be ungrateful again. Now, my dear friends, before I end this story, remember this: every help is important. Every kindness matters. So, dear learner, always respect those who help you. Never forget kindness, because gratitude makes us human. If you like this story, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to hear more simple stories with beautiful lessons. One small question before you go: will you remember to say thank you today?